In this video, I will show you how to perform hard reset for the Galaxy A17. Hard reset means doing factory reset in case if you lock yourself with the password or pattern and you cannot access your phone anymore, so the hard reset will be very useful. So make sure to subscribe to Variety Stick if you haven't. Give me a thumbs up. Without any further ado, let's find out. Now, just before we go any further in the video, I want to explain to you a few things that are very important. Doing hard reset means factory reset. You're going to lose everything on the phone. And once you finish the factory reset, the phone will ask you to use the same Gmail account that was previously synced to the phone. If you don't have one, then you don't need to do this step. Now, the first step, you need to shut the Galaxy A17 off completely. But the problem is, if you have a pattern, as you guys can see here, and you forget what it is, Samsung UI, it won't let you shut the phone off. And let me show you. If you press two keys, the volume down and the power key, and you go to power off, you still have to use the same pattern, password or fingerprint where you can actually bypass this screen. So instead of this, we're going to use completely different technique by force restart the device, and then we will go to the recovery menu. I want you to pay attention to every single step I'm doing so that way you can easily do it by yourself. Now, first thing first, go ahead and light up the screen and then press two keys, power and volume down, and hold for almost 7 seconds. When the screen go black again, you have to release, and immediately after 1 second you release for 1 second, and then immediately you put your finger back on the power and the volume up. The first step to do the deep restart, you have to press power, volume down, and when the screen go black, you have to release for 1 second and put your finger on the power and the volume up. And once you see the Samsung Galaxy logo, you have to release from the power and hold on the volume up. It's going to be two logos. The first one is going to show Samsung logo and then Samsung Galaxy logo. When you see the Samsung Galaxy logo, you remove only from the power and hold on the volume up. Let's go ahead and do that together. First of all, light up the screen and then volume down, power key as the first step. It could take up to 7 seconds. The screen go black, 1 second, volume up, power, Samsung logo appears. Now remove from the power and keep hold on the volume up, because now it shows the Samsung. Galaxy logo, and immediately is going to take us to the recovery mode, and we should have some option. Now the navigation will be through the volume down and the volume up, as you guys can see, and we have to go where it says wipe data factory reset. So go ahead and press the power key to select this option, and then we're gonna get warning and confirmation. By doing this, you guys gonna lose all the information. Volume down, highlight factory data reset. If you're sure you want to do it, go ahead and press the power key and wait a few seconds. The phone now has done the formatting. All you have to do, select the first option, reboot system now. Allow up to 5 minutes to complete the factory reset, and as I said, the phone will ask you to use the same Gmail account that was already synced to the device. If there is no Gmail account, I believe you should be good to go. And that was very much it for that video. If you guys find it helpful, if it did, thumbs up and subscribe for more here on Variety Stick. Thank you so much for watching. As always, we'll talk to you in another video.
I'm a really big hitter, big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back, 'cause damn, I was built to last.